Hey guys, it's Mao here and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my first ever cooking video for 2021. So we all know that 2021 have been so challenging and it's been so hard to some of us. I mean, to all of us actually, because no one was exempted from the pandemic plus the typhoons and all, but thanks be to God because He has lifted us up and given us strength to surpass it all. And here we are right now. We are standing strong and we are ready to start the new year. So all we can do is to prepare ourselves for the greater things that God has prepared ahead of us. And so today, I hope that you're all doing okay, and I'm hoping that you all had a good start of 2021 as well. So going back to our cooking, today I will be making meatballs or bola-bola in our native dialect. So as you can see, I am chopping or slicing or whatever you may call it. But yeah, I'm preparing the ingredients I'll be needing to make the bola-bola or the meatballs. And oh, by the way, this video was filmed way back December 2020 and I was just not able to post this earlier because of the very busy schedule at work plus busy preparing for the holidays. This recipe is quite familiar to many of us, maybe if I'm not mistaken, but I'm pretty sure we have different ways or styles of cooking. So how do you guys make yours? Comment down below and I would love to hear them out and learn many ways to prepare or make this recipe. And also, if you are new here and you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell button below so you will be notified every time I post a new video. In this channel, I am making videos about food, beauty, travel, life and events, and soon, God willing, I'll be sharing faith-related videos as well. So if you're interested, go subscribe and stay tuned for more upcoming video. I would love to have you guys and be part of my YouTube family. And these are the ingredients that we needed in making our meatballs. So of course, we needed ground pork, and we have our chopped white onions, chayote, our chopped potatoes, carrots, and we needed also a minced garlic. We need eggs, and of course we need flour to make our mixture later on. And of course, do not forget to add your seasonings like salt and pepper and whatever seasonings you have at home that you'd like to incorporate in your cooking. So as you can see, I heated up a frying pan with cooking oil, and when it's ready, I added the white onions. So this is to saute all the vegetables and also to cook the ground pork before making a meatball mixture later on, so we can fry it easily. And so this is our half-cooked vegetables with the ground pork, and I just let it drain for a little while to remove the excess oil. And then after that, I just mix the flour in it to create a mixture like this. Yes, that mixture you are seeing in the screen right now. And I thought I filmed it. Yes, I just really thought I filmed it, but I wasn't, because my camera wasn't recording at all. So I'm so sorry. That's just a fail of a newbie. But literally, I was just mixing our flour and eggs into the vegetable mixture with the ground pork. Yeah, as easy as that. So right now I am making the meatballs. So as you can see, it's not a perfect ball or a perfect circle in shape, but don't worry. For me, the shape doesn't matter at all, because what's important is how it tastes. So yeah, And I will be frying it in here. So I added cooking oil at about 1.5 cup, and then when it's ready, I'll start frying my meatballs. And that is it, as easy as that. Just continue frying until you're done. And by the way, I am using voiceover for this video because I don't have microphone yet, and for me to have a better audio, I prefer to do voiceover because I noticed that on my previous videos the audio is very awful. So bear with me for now, guys, but I'm trying to have my own microphone soon. And that is it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for being with me today. Thank you for spending your time watching this video. If it's you who is watching this video up to this moment, please know that you are very much appreciated. I hope you like it and I hope you enjoyed it. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell button below so you will be notified every time I post a new video. God bless everyone. May you all have a good day, and don't forget, Jesus loves you. Bye!